Over the last 50,000 years, humans have obtained a survival benefit from an ability to store fat. In the past 200 years, changes in the human diet and lifestyle have outstripped the ability of the genome to adjust to a changing environment, and as a result, billions of people around the world are now obese. Studies show that hunter-gatherers ate some 800 different varieties of plants. Today, the average intake is only about 3 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, which fails to provide enough of the naturally occurring antioxidants, phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals that are essential to good health. Highly processed foods with refined starches, sugars, fats, and oils often fail to contain the essential nutrients that are found in nutrient-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables, but have many more calories per bite. At the same time, a highly sedentary lifestyle over the last 30 years has resulted in a global epidemic of obesity. Solutions that emphasize a balanced diet and a healthy, active lifestyle are urgently needed.
During this presentation, I will cover the following topics: global trends, daily nutrition needs, healthy eating habits, facts to better understand nutrition, information to better evaluate your meal plan, Herbalife quality products and excellence in science, tips on achieving your ideal body composition, and finally, the role of an Herbalife member. So let's dive right in and get started. Overweight and obesity are a global epidemic. Not a problem unique to any one particular area of the world, although some areas are more affected than others. Dr. Heber quotes the World Health Organization saying globally more than 1 billion adults are overweight. And the overweight and obese population in developing countries is increasing. So even if the color here is lighter, in some areas obesity is growing at a faster rate than the darker areas, especially in big cities. The global population is aging. About 60 years ago, most of the population was under the age of 5. By 2050, most of the world population will be over 65. Many may think it's mainly genetics, but lifestyle plays the greatest influence on healthy aging. Given that 70% of healthy aging is related to lifestyle habits, it is what you do on a daily basis that matters the most. At Herbalife, we believe that balanced nutrition is not just for one day of the year, it's for every day. We believe so strongly in balanced nutrition that we've developed our Herbalife Global Nutrition Philosophy. At Herbalife, we believe that balanced and personalized nutrition supports a healthy, active lifestyle. Eating the right foods, supplementing your healthy diet with dietary supplements, and exercising regularly are key. Balanced nutrition means getting the right amounts of key nutrients, up to 30% of our daily calories from healthy fats, 40% from carbs, and 30% from proteins. When it comes to fats, it's important to eat less saturated fats and more omega-3s. We can't forget to eat 25 grams of fiber each day. And no nutrition program is balanced without rest, exercise, and hydration. What's distinctive about our philosophy is that it's not just made up of balanced nutrition and a healthy, active lifestyle, but that your nutrition plan is completely personalized by your Herbalife member, who provides support and a community network to help keep you on track. Balanced nutrition is made up of 5 critical components: macronutrients, micronutrients, phytonutrients, fiber, and water. Sometimes you don't get a good balance of these. In fact, most people don't get enough fiber, water, and phytonutrients. And often we get too much fat, sugar, and if we're cutting calories, not enough protein. Getting balanced nutrition can have many positive benefits, such as achieving an ideal body weight, good digestive health, brain health, joint health, healthy skin, and maintaining normal levels of blood fat, blood sugar, and blood pressure that are already within normal range. Every day, balanced nutrition should start with a healthy breakfast. According to Dr. Rocio, it's not only the most important meal of the day, but skipping breakfast may make you so hungry that by lunch, you eat more than you normally would. So let's test your knowledge about the most important meal of the day. True or false? Eating breakfast helps you control hunger. True. But eating just any breakfast doesn't count. Eating a nutritious and protein-rich breakfast can help you feel full longer so that you can avoid unhealthy snacking and overeating later in the day. True or false? A muffin and coffee are a nutritious breakfast. False. Coffee and a muffin provide you with too many calories and not enough nutrients. Some muffins can have as many as 700 calories. True or false? Eating a healthy breakfast improves your concentration. True. After a night's rest, when you haven't eaten for many hours, a healthy breakfast fuels your brain and muscles to improve concentration and make you feel less tired and irritable. True or false? Overeating at breakfast is good for you. False. A huge breakfast with lots of eggs, baked sugary goods, fatty meats, and too many carbs is nutritionally unbalanced and may contain more calories than you need for a meal. True or false? Skipping breakfast helps you lose weight. False. Eating a healthy breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, which actually helps you burn calories. Many people are breakfast skippers and run out of energy mid-morning. True or false? Breakfast should provide at least 15 grams of protein. True. The higher protein is thought to release substances that keep your hunger under control. Okay, so the trick to achieving balanced nutrition is understanding the basic components of healthy nutrition. Let's talk about the first of 5 critical components, macronutrients, and let's start with protein. Protein is called the first nutrient because it has so many important functions. Proteins are made of amino acids, which are the essential building blocks for many cell components. There are many reasons why protein is important. As we mentioned before, protein at the right amounts helps satisfy hunger and maintains muscle mass and gives you energy. When you don't get enough protein, some pretty inconvenient things start to happen, like getting flabby, weak, and even tired. Now that we know what protein is and why it's important, let's take a look at where we can source protein in our diet. Some great examples can be found in such foods as lean meat, poultry, fish, dairy, eggs, soy, tofu, lentils, beans, chickpeas, and of course, our Herbalife products. Let's talk about soy protein. The best protein in the plant world is soy. Soy is high quality, complete plant protein which contains all essential amino acids. Of all proteins, soy is one of the highest ranked in protein quality. At Herbalife, our philosophy is to make protein 30% of your daily calories to satisfy hunger and maintain muscle mass. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the second macronutrient, carbohydrates. What are they? Carbohydrates are a key form of energy for physical activity, and athletes need more of them. Carbohydrates are central to our diets. Without enough carbs, we end up using the protein in our body as fuel. So carbs let protein do their job. Yes, carbohydrates can be found in fruits, vegetables, and refined grains. The calories in equal portions of these can be very different. For example, one serving of an average fruit or vegetable is between 35 to 70 calories, but in a similar portion of refined grains, the calories are much higher. For example, one serving of white rice is about 200 calories. So eating fruits and vegetables are less calorie per bite. Why are carbohydrates important? Think of carbs as the gas needed to fuel a car. Without gas, a car won't run. Without them, your body won't have the fuel it needs to support your daily mental and physical activities, or energy to provide stamina. Note that during exercise, you need more carbs than when you are not active. Where can we find carbohydrates? Carbohydrates can be found in such foods as fruits, vegetables, seeds, peas, beans and lentils, whole grain bread, cereal and pasta, honey, maple syrup, and of course, our Herbalife products. At Herbalife, we recommend that 40% of your daily calories come from carbohydrates. Now let's discuss our third macronutrient, fats, which are also called lipids. Fats from the foods we eat act like our internal batteries, which help store our energy. Fats are necessary to the body, but be careful. Some fats are needed, but too much fat in our diets is not good. Excess fats bring excess calories, which can lead to weight gain. There are different types of fat: saturated, found in animal fats; polyunsaturated, including omega-3 and omega-6, which can be found in fish oil supplements, and vegetable oils; and monounsaturated fat, found in some nuts, olives, and avocados. When it comes to polyunsaturated fats, it's important to get the right balance. Increase omega-3s, decrease omega-6s, and reduce saturated fats and vegetable oils. While we don't want to consume bad fats, healthy fats are important because healthy fats, or omega-3s, are important for your heart, brain, and joint functions and support your immune system. So where can all these types of fats be found? Healthy fats can be found in such foods as olive oil, avocados, ocean-caught fish, lean meat, white meat chicken, low-fat dairy, seeds, and nuts. Herbalife recommends up to 30% of your daily calories come from healthy fats, as long as you keep your eye on your total calorie intake. So let's talk about the second component of balanced nutrition, micronutrients, which include vitamins and minerals. There are many vitamins and minerals your body needs to function. Most people don't get enough of these from the foods we consume. Our nutrient needs should be met by the foods that we eat, but supplements can act as an insurance policy to make certain you get the recommended amounts of vitamins and minerals you may not get due to a busy lifestyle. Getting enough vitamins and minerals daily is very important for balanced nutrition because they play a key role in cell function, help convert macronutrients into energy, and help support the immune system. Vitamins and minerals can be found in many of the foods we consume. Yes, the following foods are chock full of vitamins and minerals: fruits, vegetables, dairy, eggs, meats, grains, and of course our Herbalife products. Now, a subcategory of micronutrients that doesn't get the attention it deserves are phytonutrients. Let's discuss what these are. Basically, phytonutrients are chemical compounds found in plants that have special functions in the body, including acting as antioxidants. Why are phytonutrients important? Some phytonutrients have antioxidant properties that protect our body from the harsh effects of the air we breathe, creating something called oxidative stress. Where can phytonutrients be found? Let's find out. Different colored plant-based foods have different types of phytonutrients that have a variety of health benefits. Okay, so now that we've talked about all the macro, micro, and phytonutrients, let's talk about fiber, which plays a key role in digestive health. You might be wondering, what is fiber? Fiber is one of the critical components of balanced nutrition. Some fibers are soluble fiber that attracts water and form a gel, which slows down the digestion, and others are insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and speeds up the passage of food and waste through your gut. Consuming fiber is important. It delays the emptying of the stomach to help us feel full, helps with regularity, and helps maintain tip-top overall intestinal health by feeding beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. Where can we find fiber in foods? Fiber can be found in such foods as whole grain bread, whole grain pasta, oats, beans, fruits, vegetables, and of course, these Herbalife products. As part of our Herbalife Balanced Nutrition philosophy, we recommend you get 25 grams of fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains per day to promote healthy digestion. At Herbalife, aloe also plays an important role in healthy digestion. But what exactly is it? You might already know that aloe is a flowering, succulent plant. But aloe also relieves occasional indigestion, supports nutrient absorption, soothes the stomach, and supports healthy digestion. Consuming aloe helps maintain a healthy digestive tract. So other than an actual aloe plant, where else can you find it? In one of many of our Herbalife products, of course. Hydration is also a critical component of healthy digestion. So why is hydration so important? For starters, water is the body's main component. Water makes up almost 70% of your body weight and helps to eliminate waste from your body. Water provides moisture to your ears, nose, and throat, and carries nutrients to your cells. There are a number of ways we eliminate water, through breathing, perspiration, urination, but it's critical that we replenish, because when you don't get enough water, some pretty unfortunate things can happen, like fatigue, constipation, muscle cramps, migraines, dry skin. At Herbalife, we recommend you drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water every day for healthy hydration. Outside of clean drinking water, water can also be sourced by consuming teas, fruits, and vegetables, and by consuming one of the many Herbalife products, of course. But remember, healthy hydration starts with replacing high-calorie drinks like these with better-for-you alternatives like these. Now we have talked about the critical components of nutrition. Let's talk about a healthy meal plan, because there are some misconceptions regarding what's healthy. Having some of the foods you see here may offer high protein, but these foods are also high in fat and calories and unbalanced in nutrients. Some other foods may be low in calories, but they are also low in protein and unbalanced in nutrients, because cutting calories alone may also cause us to cut nutrition. Good nutrition offers a balance of calories, nutrients, including proteins like the Herbalife products you see here. As I mentioned, good nutrition begins with a balance of calories. So what are calories? Calories are a measurement of energy in food. When unused, calories are stored in our bodies as fat. We know there are calories in everything we eat, but sometimes we don't realize that the same amount of different types of foods can have very different amounts of calories. At Herbalife, we recommend that your daily caloric intake be personalized depending on your body composition, gender, and lifestyle. All of this taken into account, Herbalife products complement your balanced meal plan with an array of offerings that meet the goals of your personalized nutrition plan. Dr. Luigi says, our products do amazing things. They're backed by science and a leading team of experts. At Herbalife, our seed-to-feed approach allows us to manage the entire product life cycle, providing us full control over everything we produce. State-of-the-art laboratories and the highest standards for manufacturing ensure that Herbalife products are 100% backed by science and are the highest quality products in the industry. Herbalife has a team of award-winning scientists and leading experts who are some of the most respected and accomplished professionals in their field. Our global Herbalife Nutritional Advisory Board of Experts educate and train members on the principles of nutrition, physical activity, and a healthy, active lifestyle. Let's talk about optimizing your ideal body composition and the role of exercise in your balanced nutrition plan. Because weight loss alone is a temporary goal. Healthy living is a lifetime commitment. Because it's not just about counting calories, it's really about getting the balanced nutrition your body needs. So, how much do you think you know about muscle versus fat? Let's take a little quiz. True or false? Exercise turns fat into muscle. False. Muscle is muscle, fat is fat. You can never turn fat into muscle or muscle into fat. True or false? Muscle will waste away if it isn't exercised. True. Muscle will waste away if it's undernourished and not exercised. True or false? Muscle weighs more than fat. True. A muscle cell weighs more than a fat cell, but muscle occupies about half the volume of fat. True or false? 1 pound of muscle burns about 15 calories a day. True. True or false? 1 pound of fat burns about 3 calories a day. True. Basically, lose the fat, keep the muscle. Because the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, and remember, exercise must be a part of it. True or false? If you're skinny, you obviously have no fat. False. You can be skinny on the outside, but be fat on the inside. The truth is, you can look skinny, but still have a high percentage of body fat. These are MRI images of people with the same size waist, but varying amounts of belly fat. Here's a closer look. The white area is body fat, the dark area is lean muscle. Understanding your body fat is easy. There are various ways to estimate it. It's important to get on a weight management plan to achieve your ideal body composition. It's not about starvation, it's about eating the right amount of healthy foods and not sacrificing lean muscle, remembering that exercise plays a key role. Speaking of exercise, Samantha Clayton believes the small lifestyle changes make a big difference. It's all about healthy choices and getting active, no excuses. I think we can all agree there are many benefits to exercising regularly. Ideally, we recommend a minimum of 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week of aerobic exercise like jogging or cycling, and a minimum of 30 minutes a day, 2 to 3 times a week of anaerobic exercise like lifting weights and flexibility exercises. But in order to achieve nutritional success, you must set SMART objectives: specific, measurable, attainable, results-oriented, and time-bound, and get between 6 to 8 hours of rest every day. Be sure to take pictures at every milestone. As an independent Herbalife member, we can help you through the entire process of developing a healthy, active lifestyle and a balanced nutritional plan that is right for you.
Change begins with one person.
Never quit.
People don't need to be overweight, inactive, and unsatisfied with their diet. Because the best way to a healthy, active lifestyle starts with balanced nutrition. With Herbalife products, we can be a champion for good nutrition, not just for ourselves, but for everyone in our life. Together, let's imagine an amazing tomorrow, in a world where healthy eating and active living are choices everyone can make. Let's change the world toward a brighter, healthier future with Herbalife.
Achieving your nutrition goals is fun, simple, and magical.